Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 18.3 from the question number 3. So this is factorize the first part a पे power 2 plus 14a plus 49 and second part 4q square plus 8q plus 4. Okay, so dear children, by using identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a square minus b square equal to a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in other bracket. So dear children, by using these three identity we have to factorize the given expression. Okay, so here first part, this is a square plus 14a plus 49. Okay, so here we can note the first and third term. Okay, it is a perfect square. So therefore this can be written as a square plus and second 49. This is 7 square. Okay, and middle term 14 and this can be expressed as, means written as product of 2 into a into 7. Okay, 7 to the 14a. Okay, so now from here using the identity, using the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square a plus b whole square. Okay, so here the value a is a and b is 7. So therefore this become a square plus 2 into a into 7 equal to 7 square, a plus 7 whole square. Okay, a plus 7 whole square. Okay, so this is the factor of a square plus 14a plus 49. Okay, now move the second part. This is 4q square plus 8q plus 4. Okay, so here we clearly observe the given expression. The first term and second term, first term and third term be a perfect square. Okay, so this can be written as, this is 2q. Okay, 2q whole square plus third term 2 square, and middle term can be written as product of 2 into 2q into 2. Okay, and same thing over here using identity a square plus 2ab plus b square which is equal to a plus b square. So therefore this become 2q plus 2. Okay, 2q plus 2 whole square, and in both the term here 2 also be common. Okay, so now taking out 2 outside the bracket, so this is 2 to the power 2 and q plus 1 whole square, 2 पे पावर 2 means 4 plus 1 whole square. So this is the answer. Okay. Now 4 square plus 18 plus 4. Okay children, so this is the third and fourth part of question number 3. This is in power 4 minus 1. Okay, so dear children, a to power 4 can be written as a to power 2 of power 2 minus this is 1 to power 2. Okay, now using identity, a square minus b square equal to a minus b and a plus b. Okay, a minus b and a plus b. So this a square power 2 and a square. Okay, so here the value of a square is a square and b square is 1. B square equal to 1 square. Okay, so this is expressed as a square minus 1 and a square plus 1. Okay, and now again this part a square minus 1 can be expressed as using identity a square minus b square. So this is in one bracket a minus 1 and a plus 1 and this is a square plus 1. Okay, so here this is the factors of a to power 4 minus 1. Okay, move to the fourth part. This is a to power 4 and a plus b to power 4. This can be written as a square power 2 minus a plus b square of square. Okay, now using same identity a square b square. Okay, so this is a square and this is a plus b whole square is b. Okay, so this is a square minus a plus b square in one bracket and other bracket a square plus a plus b square. Okay, and again this part is a square minus a plus b whole square. Okay, in this expression we can also apply the same identity. This is a square b square in bracket a minus b and a plus b. Okay, so therefore this is a minus a plus b and a plus b and this is as the same a square plus b square. Okay, so okay, so this is a minus b here plus a minus a cancel out and this is Okay, so therefore this is minus b and this is 2a plus b and this is a square plus a plus b whole square. Okay, so dear children, this is the factors a to the power 4 minus a plus b power 4. Okay, so dear children, this is subject time 6 part of question number 3, p square minus 256. Okay, so here note first and second term are a perfect square. So this can be written as first term this is p square and second term this is 16 whole square. Now over here using identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b in one bracket a minus b in other bracket. Okay, so here a is p and b is 16. So this becomes p plus 16 and p minus 16. Okay, so this is the factors. 6 part, this is 9x square minus 24x plus 16. Okay, here first and third term are perfect square. So it will written 3x whole square minus and second 16 4 whole square and middle term can be written as 2 into 3x into 4. Okay, and now over here using identity a square minus 2ab plus b square which is equal to a minus b whole square. Okay, so here a is 3x and b is 4. Okay, so this is 3x minus 4 whole square. 3x minus 4 whole square. Okay, this is the 7 and 8 part of question number 3, x square minus 4x plus 4 in bracket minus 81. Okay, so dear children, the first term and second term looking as perfect square. So the first term can be written as x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 whole square minus and this second term written as 9 power 2. Okay, now over here using the identity a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. Okay, so here a is x and b equal to 2. So this is x minus 2 whole square minus 9 whole square. Okay, and now from here using identity a square minus b square equal to in one bracket a plus b and other bracket a minus b. Okay, so Now this expression becomes x minus 2 minus 9 in one bracket and x minus 2 plus 9 in other bracket. So this is x minus 11 and this is x plus 7. Okay, x minus 11 and x plus 7. Okay, now move to the 8th part. This is a plus b power 4 minus b to power 4. So dear children, this is written as a plus b power 4 minus b to power 4 as a plus b whole square r square plus b square r square. Now using the identity a square minus b square equal to in one bracket a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so this is in one bracket a plus b and second bracket a plus b minus b. Okay, so this is a plus b square and b square, and here a plus b square and a plus b square plus b square in other bracket a plus b square minus b square. Okay, so again this can be expressed as this is same as a plus b whole square minus b square plus, and this is a plus b in one bracket a plus b and a plus b minus b. Okay, so this is a plus b whole square minus plus b square and this is a plus 2b, here b cancel, this is a. Okay, so this can be written as a plus 2b and a plus b whole square plus b square. Okay, children, so this is the required answer. A plus b to power 4 minus b to power 4. Okay, dear children, this is the 9th part of question number 3, 25 and another bracket 4a square plus 12a plus 9. Okay, so the first part 25, this is the perfect square, so written as 5 to the power 2 minus, and here the second term is 4a square plus 12a plus 9. Okay, in question first and second term looking are perfect square. So this is written as 2a whole square plus, and this is 3 square, and middle term can be written as 2 into product of 2a into 3. Okay, so this is as same 5 square minus and here now using identity a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. So this is become 2a plus 3 whole square. Okay, now again using using identity a square minus b square, which is equal to one bracket a plus b, another a minus b. So now from here this expression becomes one bracket 5 minus 2a plus 3 and other bracket 5 plus 2a plus 3. Okay, so this is 5 minus 2 5 minus 2a minus 3 and this is a 5 plus 2a plus 3. Okay, so therefore this becomes 2 minus 2a, 2 minus 2a in one bracket, and this is 8 plus 2a in other bracket. Okay, so in first bracket looking 2 is common, so taking 2 and this is a minus 1 minus a. Second bracket, in second bracket 2 is again common, so taking out 2 as a common, so this is 4 plus a. Okay, now simplify this, so we will get finally 2 to the 4 1 minus a and 4 plus a. Okay, so dear children, this is the solution of 25 minus in bracket 4a square plus 12a plus 9. Okay.